Hello everyone. In this video we'll be looking at a core concept in Python programming language, functions. Now if you are new to Python or you're looking to brush up your knowledge on this video is for you. So let's get started. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task or a specific thing. It's a reusable piece of code that you can call whenever you need it, making your code or your programs more modular and easy to manage. Let's see some code examples. Okay, let's see a code example of how you can use function in Python. So for you to use a function, you start by defining def. This is what you use to define a function. So now in this code example, we are going to create a function called greet that will type a hello, I am Sophia as the name. So we can say greet and it will take the name as the arguments. So name would be here, and then we use the f string name. And this is how you can define your function in Python. Now for you to define your f string, or for you to call your f string, sorry, for you to call your f string, you just call the name of the function and add the parameter. So the parameter can be, say, Sophia, and this is it. But now we want to print the function and also pass the argument. So for that, we just have to add this in a print statement. So it should be print greet Sophia. And when we run this, we should be able to see hello, I am Sophia as the response. Let's check that out. Voila, beautiful. So this is it. Hello, I am Sophia will be the response. If we decide to change it to, let's say, Bob, and it changes. So this is how you can define a function in Python. Okay, so let's create another function that takes my favorite food, for example. So remember def food, and to take the name of the food. Then we return f string. I love this food. Oh, sorry, I love name this food. And now we print this. So we can do print food, and let's say it's Alfredo pasta. When we run this, you should see I love I love this Alfredo pasta food. And this is it. And this is how, okay, and this is it. So this is another great way for you to write functions. So let's say we want to add two numbers, but we don't let's say we want to add two numbers in a function, but we don't want to print it yet. Let me just show you how to write a function without necessarily printing it. So let's comment that out, and then we do def add values, and then we take two arguments, a, b, or we can say k, l, and then we do return k plus l. And now for you to call this, remember I said you need to call this by the name of the function. So add values, add values, Let's say K is 5 and L is 30. Now if you want to print this, let's just print it to really show that we added this. K is 5, L is 30. You should be able to see 35 as the response, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, apologies. I will need to add this to a result first. Rather, sorry, add this to a variable. Then I do this. Apologies. So when I do print results, hmm. Oh, let's just make it much more easy for us, and we can just do print add value the same. Let's just eliminate this and this. So you can also add values in your function. You can also um type strings. Just know that function is a great way for you to do anything you want to do, for you to perform any task you want to perform. I hope you've been able to understand how function works, and just to recap, functions can be used anywhere in your code or your program, and understanding how function works will not only help you write better Python code, but also make you more comfortable with object-oriented programming in general. So if you found this video helpful, do well to share this video or the playlist with a friend currently studying Python. Subscribe for more Python tips and tutorial. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.